Hello aspirants, welcome to AQIS YouTube channel. This session is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about PM Gati Shakti Master Plan. So recently it was announced by Prime Minister Modi. So it was announced on 75th Independence Day. So this plan will lay the foundation for holistic infrastructure. So it will focus on the infrastructure, and PM Modi said that this plan will improve the employment opportunities in our country. And he further said that this program will improve the local manufacturing capacity. So once this plan is executed, our products will be available in the global market. How? Because local manufacturing capacity will improve and we will export more and our products will be there in the global market. So this is how domestic manufacturers will be able to compete in the global market. So as far as the provisions of this scheme are concerned, we do not have the details yet. And as per the sources, details will be out soon. Now, a similar plan was announced in 2019. It was National Infrastructure Pipeline. So it was announced by Nirmala Sitharaman, and she announced an outlay of 100 crore, more than 100 crore. So this plan focuses on infrastructure, and it includes both social projects and economic projects. And center and state, they both have equal amount of share. Not equal, 40% center and 39% state, and 21% private sector. Now the objective of this scheme is to attract the foreign investors so that they can invest some money in our infrastructural projects. So this scheme is going to play a crucial role in achieving the target of $5 trillion economy. So from the prelims perspective, just remember the points, just remember the facts related to National Infrastructure Pipeline, that it includes both economic and social projects, an outlay of more than 100 crore, and remember the sharing. Center 40%, state 39%, and 21% private sector. So these points are enough for your upcoming prelims. And as and when we have the details regarding PM Gati Shakti Master Plan, then we'll make another video in which we'll analyze this master plan. So that's all for today's session. I have provided the details in the PPT. Whatever details are out, I have provided the information. And as I said, soon we'll make the video once we have the details. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. That's all for today's session. Thank you.